In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Jira work item from a SquaredUp monitor. This is a fast and efficient way to take an alert that you get from SquaredUp and turn it directly into a Jira work item that can be assigned to the team that needs to take action on it. In this example, I've got a tile that's monitoring Azure app registrations. Now it could be app registrations, could be other credentials, secrets, passwords, or SSL certificates, for instance. It all works the same way. I'm going to create a tile. We're going to have the days remaining before it expires. I'm just going to check when my monitor's set up correctly. So you can see here, less than 30 days and I'll get an alert. Now I need to set up a notification. In SquaredUp, we're going to use the custom notification, and we're going to use Jira's automation rules to create an incoming webhook. So we would choose the incoming webhook option, we would select no work items coming from the webhook, then an action, which in this case is to create a task, and then from the webhook, once we save this rule, we'll get the URL, we'll paste that in here. Then we take the secret and append that to the end of the URL. Give it a name. And then in the body, we can provide different fields that we want to be populated in the Jira rule. So in this case, I've added summary and description. So in Jira, we use their smart tags. And where it says additional data, we replace that with the name of our fields. Like so. Then we update the rule, and we're ready to test it. We can see the test has been sent successfully from SquaredUp, and if we check the audit log, we'll see it successfully arrived in Jira. And with a quick search, I can bring up this test task where you can see my fields are populated, and I've even got links back to SquaredUp. That's it for now. Happy dashboarding.